So, after understanding the parties interested in accounts, after learning that about the internal user and external user, now we will learn about the advantages of accounting. What are the advantages of accounting? See, the first is it is very helpful for management. The management can plan for the future, they can make the future policies, they can do the comparative study. Okay. The second is complete and systematic record. In the first video, I told you that we have to record in chronological order, date wise. So, whenever you want to know any particular transaction of a particular date, you can easily find out by opening your journal. Okay. Then, main motive, main objective, main advantage, that is what is our profit. Are we earning or not? Then financial position. Now again and again this term is coming, financial position. Financial position means what is the position of assets. We are having various assets in our business, non-current assets. In second chapter I will explain you in detail. Non-current assets, current assets. Now what is the position of assets? What is the position of liability? At what time we have to pay the dues? What is the amount of interest on liabilities? That kind of information also we can get from accounting. The next is comparative study. It is very important. We can compare our result from ourselves. That means previous year, what we earned, what we have earned in this year. Are we doing better? We are earning more. This is called intra-firm. We have done in the firm itself. We can compare the result to our competitors also. Okay. We can compare our policies, profits, discount, etc. Then evidence in legal matters. If you need any kind of information which you have to present in the court, that means you are having some written evidence with you, because all the things have been recorded in systematic manner. Suppose we have paid some amount to any person and he is not agreeing, he is denying. We can confirm with our account, we can show that evidence that that amount we have paid on that date by check, by cash, whatever. Next is raising loan. The financial institutions, when they provide loan, first of all they check our accounts. They check from last 3-4 years what is our progress. On the basis of that they provide us loan. If you will go to take loan from any financial institution, first of all they will ask about your ITR, income tax return. It is for individual persons. And in the business also they will ask about your balance sheets, about your financial positions, because they want to know that are you capable to pay or not. Okay. Then is assessment of tax liabilities. Like what is the amount of GST? What is the total amount of GST collected? What is the input GST? In next chapters we have to study about the GST also. So how much amount we have to pay? What is our tax? That we can find out with the help of account. So these are the advantages of accounting. Okay.